Alright guys, so now we're going to do our review, which is proper nouns. And again, we have done this already, so it is review. But first you have to know what is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Okay? So person is us, me, you, it's to see us, anybody who's a person. Place could be a store, a park, a school, any building. Okay? When you give it a place. A thing could be a dog, could be a cat, could be a table, a car, okay? Or an idea like a feeling that you have inside of you, like freedom, honesty. Those are all ideas, okay? So now, what makes it a proper noun? So I can't just say, I'm gonna go to school today. If I just say school, that's not a proper noun. It's just any name, okay? What makes it a proper noun is when you give it the actual name of the school, okay? Like for us, our school is Edison Bethune Charter Academy, so that would make it a proper noun. Proper needs to be capitalized. And one rule that you need to have, you always capitalize I. I am important. Okay, so because I am important and you are a person, you are always capitalized. Okay, when it's by itself, it is always capitalized. Not inside a word, okay? Not like in important necessarily, only if it's the beginning of a sentence. But if it is by itself, like you're talking about I, yourself, it is always capitalized. A common noun, which is just anything, person, place, or thing, okay? Versus a proper noun, which names a specific person, place, or thing, or idea. Okay, so if I'm gonna say again, like if I'm gonna say school, just like you guys do in the classroom, write on your whiteboard, what would be a name of a school? Write it down, and then let's check. Okay, so obviously we go to Edison Bethune Charter Academy. Okay, so that would be the actual name of the school. So it becomes a proper name. So common is just any school, but proper we're giving it the actual name of the school. Let's think of a thing. So I'm going to write dog. And if you have a dog, you can write the actual name of your dog. I have a dog, and her name is Briosa. Brownie, whatever you want to call your dog, that would be a proper name because it's her actual name. Okay? So now I'm going to say, Mom, can I go to the park? Well, park is not really a proper name because I don't know what park you are going to. Okay, so write down the name of a proper name for a park. Okay, good. Some of them could be like roading. And roading is the one like when you go to the zoo, that could be the actual name of the park. Guys, so have your whiteboard and marker ready. And you can write your own. So I'm going to say a common noun is a store. Write down the actual name of a store. Costco. That's where I do a lot of my shopping, Costco. Or Target. Okay, so that's one name of a proper noun for a store. Okay. Other proper names include days of the week. Okay, those are always capitalized. Kind of like last week we had abbreviations with days of the week. Same thing, but when you write the actual name, you always capitalize it. Even when you abbreviate it, you always capitalize it. Okay? You also capitalize the month of the year, so the months, you always capitalize it. Again, first letter, and same thing, even when you abbreviate it, it is still always capitalized. You capitalized holidays, okay, like Valentine's Day. You capitalize both, okay, that's an apostrophe. Those are all proper names. So a book title, like a lot of you like Diary of a Wimpy Kid, okay? Fly Guy. You like the Captain Underpants. Okay, those are all titles of books, so you write them in capital letter, the beginning of each letter, except for words such as of, the, and those are not necessarily capitalized in a title, okay? But you do capitalize the title of the book. Book title like Bad Guys. And again, these are all proper nouns that always need to be capitalized, okay? So again, this week, our review for grammar is proper nouns. If you need to, come back, review the video. Your page for Reader's Notebook is 180. That will be in Seesaw, so make sure that once you get to doing your Reader's Notebook page and you forgot what they are, go back to the video, watch it as many times as you need to, and like Ms. Casilla said, you do not have to do them all in one day, just the best that you can. See you in the next video. Bye.